back to the channel. So today we are going to be making garlic sour cream mashed potatoes. So let's get our ingredients together. For our garlic sour cream mashed potatoes, we're going to need potatoes, sour cream, half and half, garlic powder, butter, and salt and pepper. So let's get our ingredients prepared. Okay, so we have got our large russet potatoes which have been washed. We've got us a pot of water which is about a half to 3/4 of the way full, and we're going to add in a few pinches of salt so that way we can get some salted flavor into the potatoes. So now we are going to cut our potatoes into about some 2-inch pieces, 1 to 2-inch pieces. And if you like, you can peel your potatoes. And then once we get these chopped up, we will add them to our water. There we go. And the reason we want to cut them all about the same size is so that they can cook evenly. Alright, so now that we've got these all cut up, we're going to get these over to a stove and bring them up to a boil. And then once they are fork tender, we'll continue making our potatoes. Okay, so our potatoes are fork tender and we've cooked them for about 15 minutes. So we're going to take a potato masher and start mashing them up. All right. So we got that pretty much all mashed up. Set this to the side. To this, we're going to add in our butter. And here I am making a mess. Covered up so it'll start melting. There we go. Just about there. But it's just all about melted. Alright, and to this we are going to add in about a half a container of sour cream. Give that a stir. Now we're going to add in our garlic powder. And then roughly half a cup of heavy cream. Now that I've added the milk, I really need to be careful so that way I don't splatter it everywhere. It's starting to get a little stiff from all the stirring. And don't worry if it looks a little soupy. It will thicken up as the potato starts absorbing all the moisture. All right, so let's give this a taste test. Just a little bit of salt. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up a little bit already. All right, and one more. Perfect. All right. Let me get all this out the way. Now what we need to do is put this in a nice serving bowl. Come on, there we go. All right, so this is a perfect side for any type of chicken, a baked chicken, fried chicken even. If you like, you can serve up some brown gravy with this. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, be nice, be kind, because it doesn't hurt to make somebody else's day.